I did this and my ex came crawling back. Breaking up with a partner can be a difficult and emotional experience. But what if there was a way to get them to come back? This is the story of how one person used a simple technique to get their ex to come crawling back. The person in question had been in a relationship for 3 years. Despite the strong bond they shared, the relationship had reached a point where both parties felt that it was time to move on. They decided to end the relationship amicably and parted ways. The person was heartbroken and desperate to get their ex back. After much research, they found out about a technique known as the no-contact rule. This rule states that one should not contact their ex for at least a month after the breakup. The person followed the rule and did not contact their ex for a month. During this time, they worked on themselves and improved their physical and mental health. They also worked on their career and made sure to stay busy. At the end of the month, the person sent their ex a text message. To their surprise, the ex responded positively and asked to meet up. The two met and talked about their relationship and the person's improved outlook on life. The ex was amazed at the changes the person had made and decided to give the relationship another chance. The couple eventually got back together and are now happily in love. The no-contact rule is a powerful technique that can help you get your ex back. It allows you to focus on yourself and make positive changes that will make you more attractive to your ex. It also gives your ex time to miss you and realize what they are missing out on. If you are looking to get your ex back, the no-contact rule may be the answer you are looking for.